Hi, I'm Andy with Bonfe. If your lights go out or your outlet stops working, you might have a tripped circuit breaker. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and safely reset a breaker so you can restore power to your home. Step 1. Find your breaker panel, usually located in the basement, garage, or utility room. Step 2. Open the breaker panel and look for a breaker that is in the off position or between on and off. This breaker will have likely tripped. Step 3. Switch the tripped breaker fully to off to reset it completely. Step 4. Flip the breaker back to on until you hear it click. Step 5. Check your lights and outlets to confirm power has been restored. If the breaker trips right away, don't keep resetting it. This may indicate a larger problem and you might need an experienced electrician to help you out with this. Always keep your hands dry and always stand on a dry surface when working on your electrical panel. If you're unsure or uncomfortable, don't do it. Call Bonfe, we'll send out an electrician to help out. Thanks for watching. You can find more videos like this on our channel. And if you ever need help, our expert team's available 7 days a week.